It's 3 a.m. in 2026, and money is the reason you're awake. Car breaks down again? Laptop dies? Layoffs coming? Dog needs emergency care? That midnight anxiety is brutal, I get it. What if one number could shut down almost all those worries? Not 100,000, not a million, your first 10,000 saved. Hey everyone, I'm Alex. Today, I'm showing you why, even in 2026, hitting that 10K mark in savings is still the single most life-changing financial milestone for the average American. It changes your mindset, your sleep, your decisions, your entire future. If you're feeling the grind right now, just stay with me. This could seriously spark something. Look, millions are still living paycheck to paycheck in 2026. Grocery aisle, you're doing the math. Name brand or generic again. Friends want dinner, but 30 or 40 bucks would wreck the budget, so you bail with an excuse. One surprise hits, and boom, instant stress. Bankrate's latest report just dropped. Still, about 59 to 60% of Americans can't comfortably cover a $1,000 emergency with cash. Savings rate stuck around 4.7%. Wild, right? That background stress spikes cortisol, ruins sleep, keeps you in survival mode. But here's the shift. You hit 10,000 saved and everything changes. Not from buying luxury, from real breathing room. That 5-digit number breaks the biggest mental wall. Seeing 10K plus proves I can actually build this, even now. You stop feeling controlled by money. You start controlling it. Your body calms down. Financial security lowers cortisol. You sleep better. Stress drops. Decision fatigue disappears. You walk into the store and pick what you actually want, not just what you can scrape together. One person told me after hitting 10K, they almost teared up in the cereal aisle, not from splurging, but from no longer fearing every single choice. That's the freedom most people don't notice until they feel it. Practically, 10,000 covers most emergencies even today. Car repair, usual fixes usually $500 to $3,000. Vet bill or urgent care, $500 to $2,000. Job loss, 3 to 6 months runway, enough to find something good, not panic accept the first bad offer. Honestly, most people never spend the full 10K on crises. It starts fueling opportunities instead. A $2,000 course that could bump your salary 10 grand a year? Doable. Small side hustle investment? Realistic. You stop playing defense. You start playing to win. This is where the magic builds. Charlie Munger said the first 100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it. After that, ease off the gas. But you know what the spark is? Your first 10K. That's when compounding begins. Invest at 7 to 10% average market return, and your money starts working for you. Warren Buffett? 98 to 99% of his wealth came after age 65. Decades of compounding doing the heavy lifting. Hitting 10K rewires your identity. You become a saver. Habits lock in. The next 10K feels easier. You're not just saving money, you're becoming someone who builds wealth, even in uncertain times. Look, 10K won't make you rich in 2026. No quitting your job tomorrow, no Tesla next week, but it kills that low-grade dread. It frees mental space for growth. It strengthens relationships. Less money stress means more presence, and it sets the foundation for 25K, 50K, 100K, where compounding really accelerates. Even the ultra-wealthy say those early wins brought the most real joy. Right now, if you're grinding toward 10K, you're nailing the hardest, most valuable part of the journey. The discipline you're building today beats regrets later, trust me. You're not behind, you're starting strong. Start small. $25 to $50 a month. Skip one takeout. Redirect $100 from convenience buys. Consistency wins. So comment below. I read every single one. Have you hit 10K yet? What changed for you in 2026? Not there yet? What's your first step this week? I'm genuinely curious. Like this video if it fired you up. Subscribe and hit the bell for more real finance tips for 2026. You've got this. I'm Alex. See you in the next one.